Hello guys, welcome back to my channel T for Termux. So in today's video I have a tool for you which names Droid. It's very simple to use and it is very useful tool. I have used it. So actually I have created this tool. This tools help you to generate payload. It can save your time, your your mistakes of entering command. By using this, you can save your time. Instead of entering long commands, you can use this tool to generate your payload. So this tool generate payloads for you. You have to just select options for that. So the commands are showing on to you on your screen. So by using these commands, you can use this tool. So install this tool. So this tool is going to be very helpful to you. So I suggest you to must install this tool. Okay, this tool is based on Metasploit because this use Metasploits to generate payload. So it's a very simple payload and coded into Python 3 language. So let's see by using this we can generate a tool or not. It's very simple and easy to generate payload from this tool. So to start this payload, this script, enter this command and let's start our script. So you will see many options here like Android, Windows. So let's create a payload for Android. Hit the enter button and you will see also option reverse TCP etc. So let's create a reverse TCP. Here you have to enter your local port, means local IP address. After this, select any local port. You can select your any choice of yours. So here you have to enter the name of your payload you want to generate. So as an example, I take T for Termux. After this, you have to wait 30 seconds more and your payload will be generated. So few things, if you haven't assigned a storage permission to your Termux, then first do that by going to into your settings. So you can also enter command termux-setup-storage. This will grant a storage permission to your Termux because this stores your generated payload in your SD card main internal storage. So you don't have to move your payload from Termux to your internal storage then to send anyone, etc. etc. So after doing this, it will almost done. These are the few basic steps to use this. So it is almost done. So I think yeah, it's have done. Says your payload has successfully generated and saved in your internal storage in Droid folders with the name T for Termux. So let's check this out. Is it saying true or not? So for that you have to just go to your internal storage and check there will be a folder with the name of Droid, and in that our payload will be present. So there is a folder with the name of Droid. Yeah, there is our payload. So we have successfully generated a payload with this tool. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also comment on this video how much you like it. If you want to watch in other language like Urdu, so you can check out the link given in the description. So here this tool offers much tools like Android, Payload, Mac, etc. etc. You can choose your own choice. So goodbye. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.